So the man goes to the Darul Qaza and says, I have uttered the word talaq, talaq, talaq. So the Darul Qaza just puts a stamp, of approval. Allah clearly guides the Muslims not to, jump to divorcing, in a very casual manner. And there are verses which call for reconciliation, between the husband and wife. There are verses which call for mediation lasting over a period of 90 days. In 4 cities, we run women's औरतों की शरिया अदालत because we find that the Muslim women are not able to access courts because courts are they require for an ordinary Muslim woman to hire a lawyer, to be able to pay her fees, to be able to withstand the lengthy and cumbersome procedure of the court, which she is not able to do.
There has been resistance to this idea, largely from the clergy, from the religious groups.
So, what is happening that in the Muslim community, there is an alternative legal justice dispensation mechanism, and it's a male-driven, Sharia courts where the ordinary Muslims go for resolution of issues like triple talaq and all other family and marriage matters. So these places, the Darul Qazas are patriarchal and male-dominated spaces.
And with changing time, with changing realities, the clergy, if they refuse to change, then they become outdated and redundant. And their time has come that they shut shop and allow progressive Muslim voices to emerge. Very surprisingly and very happily, a lot of Muslim men are also in support of reforms and change. Bharatiya Muslim Mahila Andolan is proposing that we have a codified Muslim family law. So just as there is a New Marriage Act for the Hindu community, just as there is a Christian Marriage and Divorce Act for the Christians, there is a separate personal law codified for the Parsi community. Similarly, on similar lines, Muslim family law also has been codified.
We want the age of marriage to be 18 and 21 for girls and boys. We want triple talaq to be abolished. We want polygamy to be abolished. We want meher to be given to the wife because it is her Quranic right. We also want mother and father both to have guardianship of children. And we want it to be clearly specified about the share in property as far as women are concerned.
This personal law, which will be codified, should be based on constitutional values and the Quranic values and must ensure gender justice